Hello Detroit and the world. My name is Reggie. Thank you for watching this video. You're joining me on the ride along. Thanks for coming. It's really been a fantastic ownership of this vehicle for over a year now. Gosh, in January 2020, I purchased this car with 25 miles on it. Right now, I have 9,553 miles. It's really been a blast. I really enjoyed this car quite a bit. It is my daily. And now that the weather is getting better, it's really been an opportunity to just really enjoy it more. Anyway, today is Detroit Tigers home opener with the Cleveland Indians. I won't be attending, but apparently a selected, limited 8,000 will be attending. 8,000 fans will be attending. Now, Comerica Park has a capacity of 42,000, I believe. But again, due to restrictions, it's only going to be 8,000 fans coming today. Now, I won't be there, but I'll be able to hear some of the activities as I'll be in the downtown area. All right, traffic's moving now. Anyway, so I'm planning on doing more videos, a lot more, getting more, regular activity. I've got a list I'm working on and some things I want to highlight for not only my Mustang GT, but also my Lincoln Continental Mark 6. So please stay tuned.